How to use Reddit for beginners tutorial 2025. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can use it. So it was very easy. For using Reddit you need to download it from Play Store or App Store. Once you download it, simply open it. Once we open it, I already created account. When you open Reddit, you will simply see login or sign up with Google. So simply click on sign up with Google, and after that you will simply choose your username. And once you choose your username, after that click on skip, and that's it. Your Reddit account will be created. Here you guys will see homes, answer, create, inbox, profile. So when you click on create, here it will say title or you any body text or tags, and after that when you click on post, your that thing will be posted on Reddit. So that's how you guys can use Reddit. If you want to do comment on any post, you will simply click on that arrow, and once we click here, you guys can write your comment on that post, like share your thoughts. So that's how you guys can do comments. Thanks for watching.